Okay, so you got the basic idea again of the output for an op-amp. The out is equal to G non-inverting input minus the inverting input. Okay, so let's look at a simple circuit for this, right? We're going to take our op-amp, have our two input lines and our output, and we're going to attach our inverting input to ground. Okay, and then all we're going to do is just have an arbitrary input here. We want to ask, what is Vout going to be depending upon what we see in Vi? And let's just have Vi be a simple sinusoid. Okay, and let's have it go between plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts, something you can generate on your function generator with your circuit. Okay, so what is Vout going to be? Okay, so let's just kind of draw in. This is 0, right? This is 0, or your ground, right? And again, what this is doing is taking the difference between the voltages on these two. The voltage on the non-inverting input is always going to be equal to 0, to ground. Vi is oscillating back and forth. So anytime Vi is above ground, the output of the op-amp is going to be as large as it can make it, right? Anytime Vi is below ground, it's going to be as negative as it can make it. So if we draw our Vout, okay, and we're going to put in our ground here as well, then basically anytime the voltage goes above ground, it's going to be maximal. Okay? As soon as it transitions to being below ground, it's going to shift and be maximally negative. And then hits another zero crossing here, it's going to be maximally positive, maximally negative, maximally positive. Okay? So this is just an illustration of how this works, right? Basically, it's just going to, anytime the Vi is above ground, it's going to be as large as it can make it. Anytime it's below, it's going to be as small as it can make it. It doesn't matter how different, how much above ground it is. It can be up above by 5 volts here. It could be above by 0.5 volts, 0.0005 volts. It doesn't make a difference. The output will always be maximally positive. Okay? So let's take a look at how this actually works on your scope.